And we just passed the floor heat inspection and are choosing the grout colors and thinking about the layout of the tiles. And for that we actually put in the lights which will be here and adjusted the color temperature on them for the final one, so there will be no surprises when the final fixtures are in, which is often the case. So here we go, we have the grout colors are chosen for this. So 4 different tiles, 4 different grout colors. Edging is perfect match with the trend line from Schuler. This is a beautiful edging fit, so it starts to come along. So we are thinking about how the layout of the tiles would be, which ones we will choose for what. But yeah, it's a beautiful tile and will stainless steel edging in the doorway, and so we'll start playing with the tiles. So the next video you probably see the finished floor and the shower floor, because we still have still making plans, not sure how exactly things will be fitted in. So stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.